Hello student, welcome. Myself Pankaj Kumar, working as a assistant professor in the Department of Computer Application from BBT University. Today we are discussing about the measurement of central tendency. Measurement of central tendency that is which is represented by the representation value of a data set. Generally, the central value or the most occurring value that gives is a general idea of the whole data set is called measurement of central tendency. Measurement of central tendency basically tells about that the whenever we are calculating an average value, just like example of per capita income of Indian people. uh, if the per capita income of Indian peoples are given in such a form, uh, in uh, in average form, that basically describe the measurement of central tendency. So the measurement of center tendency they basically describe the average value whenever. So the average value basically indicate the midpoint of the any data set. So the average also indicate the midpoint, and from where there should be, if the average per capita income of Indian peoples are 1 lakh per annum, that will show the low income country. So this is the measurement of center tendency. Basically, center tendency basically said that whenever we calculating a average value. So move to the next point. Center tendency can be calculated in two ways. First is mathematical average, and second is positional average. Mathematical average can be classified into mean, and mean can be sub-classified into three ways: arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. And positional average means median and mode. So the average central tendency and average are basically two average value gives. Central tendency or average can be divided into two parts: mathematical average and positional average. In mathematical average, in which mean is further divided into arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. And the second one is positional average. Positional average can be subdivided into two parts: median and mode. So move to the next point. The objective of the central tendency, that is average value. Whenever we are calculating a center tendency or average, the basic objective are given in such ways: making comparison easier. And so this tells the whenever we comparison with between the data set. So the average value is gives a more and more easier way to comparison between these other parameters, helping in decision making. So the objective of the average is basically helping the decision making problem. uh, base for computing and other measures. Average value also calculate the base computing for the other measurement parameter. uh, Precise relationship. uh, the main the trace of the precise relationship basically tell us the whenever we calculating a value, there should be a relationship. So this can be easily identify the trace the preciseness of relationship. Know about universe from a sample. uh, Basically, center tendency tell us the whole data set can be represented into a single value. This is called a center tendency. So this point tell us know about the universe from a sample. And the last one is presentation of huge data in summarized form. Whenever we calculating a sum, whenever we calculating a average or central tendency, it will also represent huge data in summarized form in graphical ways, pie chart. This is the way on. This is the another way of representing the other values. So moving toward the next point, measurement of center tendency help us to find the middle or average value of a data set from the data set. Further, here define the three most common measurement of center tendency: mean, median, mode. More can be defined by the most frequent value. Median is defined by the whatever, whenever we calculating, whenever we have a different data values, in which we find the middle value is called is called median. And the last one is mean. Whenever we calculating a simple average value, and after adding uh, after adding these value divided by the total number of observation is called mean. Mean can be represented as a mean can be defined by the mean represent the average value of the data set. And second point is also described, it can be calculated as the sum of all the values in the data set divided by the number of values. There is a given diagram in which mean is 36624, and all the values are lies from lies the mean, yeah, or we can say central tendency. All the values are lied mean from the left hand side. Most of the values are lies in the from the central tendency, that is mean, are lies. Median is calculated whenever we have given different data values. We first arrange in ascending or descending order as per the given condition. If there is no mention, we can arrange ascending and descending order. So the given example are here. First of all, we arranging the data in decreasing order. So the mean can be calculated. Mean is the value which is midpoint of the given data set. So 12 is the median. 12 is the median. So there should be a green color. There should be a green color which indicate the mean of the given data set. So move to the next point. Mode basically define the particular data set in which in the given data set there should maybe a value can be repeated one times, a value can be repeated two times, a value can be repeated more than two times. So the particular value which frequently occur, which frequently repeated is called mode. The mode represent the frequently occurring value in the dataset. Sometimes the dataset may be contain multiple mode, and in some cases it does not contain any mode at all. So in the given example, 5 is three times, 4 is two times, and 3 is one times, 2 is two times, and 1 is one time. So the modes, according to the definition of mode, we basically know the how many times a value can be repeated. The maximum repetition of a value is called mode. So the 5 is the given 5 is the mode of the given example. So these are the basic central tendency values. I hope you got some basic clear cut idea about the central tendency. Okay, thank you, student.